The pandemic wreaked havoc on the worldwide automotive industry quickly and severely. Chinese parts shipments were disrupted, large-scale manufacturing disruptions also occurred across Europe, and assembly factories in the United States closed. The good news is that in 2022, the automotive industry is making a huge comeback. While the path to recovery is lengthy, auto marketers can use a programmatic strategy to help their campaigns succeed. According to Google, converting an automotive consumer requires an average of 24 touchpoints. That's a huge amount, especially when 19 are distributed via digital media. This is why taking an omni-channel approach to automobile marketing, which includes both online and physical elements, can help you achieve greater results. However, this can be time-consuming and difficult, especially if you're attempting to assist a potential consumer through the complete experience across many channels. Fortunately, technology exists to automate the process, specifically programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising, which dates back to the first banner ad in 1994, is acquiring ad space using artificial intelligence software. Real-time bidding is used to do this, which entails purchasing advertising at the same time a visitor loads a page or app. Both advertisers and publishers benefit from programmatic advertising because it improves accuracy and transparency. With the way people currently browse for vehicles online, this technology presents a significant opportunity for automakers. Purchasers typically use search engines like Google to acquire the information they require, making it harder for auto dealers to target those specific buyers. Furthermore, because these terms typically have a high commercial intent, finding a strategy to attract them is a strategy that has your best interest at heart. You can capture this search data and provide the correct content to those potential purchasers via programmatic advertising. The initial step is normally to import all car inventory data into your preferred programmatic ad platform. To understand how programmatic advertising works in the automotive sector, we must first examine a customer's buying cycle while purchasing a vehicle in today's digital age. It's ridiculous to expect buyers to see an advertisement for a new vehicle, click on it, and buy it straight away. Before a purchase can be made, a customer and a dealer must conduct extensive research and establish trust. Car consumers are more likely to believe what other customers have to say than what the manufacturer has to say. Reviews, comparisons, blogs, and forums are some of the most reliable sources. They want an unbiased view of why one vehicle is the better option. Marketers can target customers who are in the market for a new car by using programmatic advertising. Consumers who are actively studying or comparing products and services across numerous publishers and partner sites can be reached using in-market audience targeting. A lot of different statistics must be evaluated to define someone as being in the market for a given product or service. We evaluate clicks on connected advertising and subsequent conversions, site content, different pages they visit, and frequency of visits at 7 Social Agency. Our technology effectively categorizes consumers in this way, allowing your company to target the customers who are most interested in your offers. The content of websites viewed, such as cars.com, findcars.com, and any vehicle manufacturer's website, are some of the criteria used to assess whether or not someone is in the market for a car. Clicks on associated advertising are calculated using the proximity and frequency of visits to such websites as just another criterion. When searching for new cars, it's also possible to target certain persons who have visited specific websites or who have visited certain websites on a frequent basis. Large enterprises and successful businesses are increasingly focusing on programmatic advertising, but despite the fact that this technology is incredibly effective, measurable, and advanced, it does not have to be costly. Reach out to 7 Social today for a free marketing audit and learn how we can help you take your dealership to the next level with programmatic advertising.